Hey, what's up folks? Welcome back to Hacksplained. Today we're going to have a look at the Forged Review Challenge. And OSChewshop tells us to post a product review as another user or edit any other user's existing review. And we are going to try the first part. We're going to post a product review as another user. And just for the sake of knowing the email address of another user, or in general knowing any other user, I will go ahead and register a new user right over here, and I will call this user review at hacksplained.com. I will give it any password, it doesn't really matter. Security question: what is your eldest sibling's middle name? Which is obviously Hacksplained, you guys know that. And I will register the user. Let's keep in mind that this user that we're going to create right now has the email address of review@hacksplained.com, and I will register that user, which is successful, and I can now log in. But we're actually not going to do that. We only wanted to know or be aware of an existing user. So let's go back over here to our OSChewshop front page. And as you guys know, my favorite juice is the banana juice. So we're going to open up banana juice, check out the existing reviews. There's one by Bender saying Fry liked it too. That's pretty awesome. Can I click that? No, I can't. Anyway, let's close that and see if we can do anything over here. We can actually not leave a review if we're not logged in. So we are going to log in as another user. I will create one more. I will say this is my, whoops, I gotta go over here. This is my hacker at hacksplained.com user. I will give it any password, doesn't matter. Let's make this quick. Bum, 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 bum. And I will log in. Hacker at hacksplained.com. And I am logged in. Perfect. So now if we go back to our favorite juice, we do see that we can leave a review. So let's try it out. We're going to say bananas are awesome. That is a fact. So let's click on submit and see what happens. We do see that our review has been saved, and we see that if we go up here that hacker@hacksplained.com has said bananas are awesome. And during this entire process I had my burp suite running right over here. And if we go over here, we do see a put request which is targeting the REST products reviews endpoint, and over here we see a message saying bananas are awesome by hacker@hacksplained.com. And this is the interesting part down below here. If you look closely, it says author is hacker@hacksplained.com. So what if we take this, send this to repeater, control our repeater lighting up, and change it to another user? And if you remember the first user that we've created in this video, we called this user review@hacksplained.com. And that guy doesn't like bananas too much. He says bananas, what is he saying? Bananas stink. So let's try to forge a review by sending bananas stink in the name of review@hacksplained.com to the application. And I will do that right now. And we see a success response over here saying this worked out. I think there's actually a typo in here, which is quite funny. Anyway, we have successfully solved the challenge. We already see the green box. And if we go back and verify that in our banana choose entry, we do see that review@hacksplained.com said bananas stink. Ooh. What's wrong with that guy? Bananas are awesome, you guys know that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe in the top right corner. I appreciate if you leave a comment or ask any question, and stay tuned during the next videos.